Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my monthly Boxycharm unboxing. We are into October. It's my favorite month of the year. It's my birthday month. So if you guys want to see what I got in the October Boxycharm and you want to see me try it on, then just keep on watching. So some things with Boxycharm are changing a little bit, so I do want to go over it a little with you guys. But the theme of the October box was After Dark. There's a new kind of pamphlet in here because they're explaining their new boxes. So we know about Boxy Luxe, but they're introducing another level of Boxycharm that's Boxycharm Premium. So there's going to be a premium box with over $175 value for $35 a month, and then the regular Boxycharm is now going to be $25 a month, and you're going to get 5 beauty products worth over $125. And they're going to have customization now, so you're going to be able to pick your skin tone if you want to receive foundation and concealer products, and you're going to be able to choose every month. You can choose one product that you want to receive, and Boxy Luxe subscribers can choose 1 to 3 products in their Boxy Luxe. And it also looks like they're going to do add-ons, so you can add extra products to your box. Alright, so I just want to dive into my box this month. The first thing that I see is the biggest product in the box. I have seen this all over Instagram. This is the Iconic London Prep Set Glow. It's a $29 face spray. So here's what it looks like. It's obviously very, very pretty and shimmery. I don't typically use sprays as a prep. I definitely use them to set my makeup though. So I am actually going to use it now because everything else in the box is for my eyes. So I have my face makeup done, and that's typically when I like to spray my face with a setting spray, is after all my face makeup is done but before my eye makeup. That's just how I do it personally. So I'm just going to spray this on. It is a bit strong. The mist itself is very powerful. So I'm just going to fan my face. Typically, all I want in a setting spray is for it to make my makeup look a little bit less powdery and cakey. I don't see too much of a difference, but I can definitely feel the hydration. Next up, we have a brow gel. This is from Mellow. It's their Tinted Brow Gel. This retails for $16. It says it's a lightweight, non-sticky gel formula. I do have a little bit of Anastasia Dip Brow in my brows right now, but I don't have any gel in them. So my gel is in the shade Dark Brown. I'm just going to do what I normally do and brush my brow hairs kind of upward. So personally, for a tinted brow gel, I kind of like the wand to be a little bit smaller than this. I really like Benefit Gimme Brow because it has a tiny little wand on it. When there is tint in the product, I don't want to get it all over my face. So I think this is a little bit too big for me. I don't think I would reach for this unless it were clear. If it's clear, I'm not really worried about it messing up my face makeup, you know, but I think the wand is just a little bit too big for this being a brow gel. So next up in the box, I have the Dose of Colors Sassy Sienna's eyeshadow palette. It retails for $32. It's a 5-pan eyeshadow palette. It looks like it's going to be very fall appropriate. So here is the rose gold packaging, and here are the shades. So it's such a beautiful warm tone matte palette. This looks like it's going to be very easy to play around with. It also comes with a double-ended brush in the palette, but I think I'm just going to use my own brushes. So I'm going to start by dipping into the middle shade. It's a matte brown called Foxy, and this is going to go into my crease. I don't feel like there's a lot that you can do with this palette just because you're limited with the shades. You don't have a lot of transitions or brow bone shades or anything like that, but it is a beautiful color combination. I'm going to bring this down onto the lid a little bit too because I really honestly don't know what I'm doing with this look. So I'm heading in the direction of a blown out smoky eye. So I'm going to go into the darkest brown called Stay Sassy, and I'm going to start working this all onto the lid and into the crease because I want to darken this look up. There's not a whole lot of fallout, which is really nice. Once that's kind of blended where I want it, I'm going to take up the same dark brown shade with a small blending brush. And I'm going to pop this underneath my lower lash line. Alright, so that's it for eyeshadow. Next up in the box is a double-ended mascara. This is from Hank & Henry. It retails for $19. So it has a tiny little mascara wand on one side and a regular mascara wand on the other side. So here is one end for regular top lashes, and then here is the tiny end, which is really nice for lower lashes. So I would say normally I would definitely do false lashes with this look, but I think I'm just going to see how I like this mascara and just stick to mascara today. So starting with my top lashes and the bigger brush. My lashes are a little longer than usual because I am starting up my lash serum again. It seems to grip the lashes pretty well. I don't think it's the most lengthening or thickening mascara that I own. I'm like really a fan of my drugstore L'Oreal Telescopic. I'm going to go ahead and hit the lower lashes with the tiny wand. This is pretty self-explanatory. I don't really feel like it's amazing or horrible. It's kind of innovative. What I really think the tiny wand might be good for is when you have powder in your lashes and the top of them and you want to like cover it up a little bit. That happens to me sometimes. Or like in my case right now, I have a little bit of lash glue from the night before, and I can kind of cover it up with that tiny wand. So this was kind of nice. Would I pay $19 for it full price? Probably not, because I just love my drugstore mascara, but I do like that it was in here. I do like having a tiny little wand in my collection in case I feel like I need it. And then last up in my box, I got an eyeliner. This is the Hollywood and Vine Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl eyeliner. It retails for $7, and this is in the shade black. I'm not a massive fan of cheap pencil liners, which I have a feeling this will be that. I hope it doesn't smudge on my contacts, but we'll see. I'm going to tightline with this just a little bit in the outer corner. I don't want to close up my eyes too much because I do already have such a dark look on, so I'm not going to put it in my lower lash line, just my upper. So this is the completed look, and that is everything out of my October Boxycharm. Now, my box this month retailed at $103. Normally, we retail a lot higher than that. I'm wondering if that's because they're changing things up. They want to really hone in on the numbers, and now that the box will be $25, it will be a $125 value every time. So I imagine that's why this is so close to $100, because this was still a $21 box. But I really like the look that I came up with today. This is something that I would wear on a regular basis. So with me, I like that there are a lot of usable wearable products in the box this month. I do like the iconic London spray and the eyeshadow palette a lot, and the mascara is definitely something I will try to get my use out of. I want to know what you guys think of the changes with Boxycharm. Is that going to make you more excited? Is it deterring you from the box because it's a little bit more pricey? I want to know everything. Let me know in your comments down below. Also, if you did get anything different from me in your box, I always love hearing that in the comments. It's one of my favorite things to read, is what variations you guys got. But other than that, I don't think I have anything else to say for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I do these unboxings and try-ons every single month, but I also review a ton of makeup over here, and I would love to have you. Give this video a thumbs up if you like Boxycharm unboxings, and hopefully I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!